Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we have a special vehicle in the shop this week. This is a 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. That's right, guys. This is the F-150 electric vehicle truck. Sienna is just working on a couple of pieces. She is actually taking care of the light bar that you guys see in the front, as well as the rear taillights. We are applying STEK DYNOsmoke, which is their darkest of headlight-specific tinted PPF that they offer. And the reason why we choose this over your Lexan and your other kind of headlight tints that you guys see on the market is purely because of the durability and the longevity of the film. This product is much like their PPF product, so it has a very, very long durability life, and I believe it's 7 years of warranty that comes with this film. Plus, this is a film that's actually designed for headlights and taillights, so it is extremely clear. You don't get that fogginess and distortion that you see sometimes with other headlight films. You guys can see that we'll have plenty of pieces left over for other parts, so nice to have leftover for other vehicles that we want to use. And this is exactly what I mean. So this side, we don't have it covered just yet. Sienna is working on the other side, guys, but you could see how this section is left white. And what we did is we actually cut off the pattern starting right here on this like hard edge. And the reason why we did that is the pattern actually stops probably about 1/4 inch in here as relief, and here as well as here. So if you are doing this to obviously tint the headlight and also provide protection, part of it is getting that level of coverage you want where it's acceptable for a customer, because otherwise they would have probably opted to go with a headlight tint of some sort. So let me show you guys what Sienna is opting to do on the other side. All right, guys, you guys can see on this section, Sienna is making some final cut, and she is keeping a little bit of a gap. And the reason why we do this is because you don't want this headlight to be flexing within the bodywork and actually catch an edge and pop that edge up. So for durability purpose, you do want a slight, I would say probably 1/16 of an inch, you know, just a hairline type gap. But yeah, you guys could see on this particular one, Sienna went ahead and did as best as she can. The one thing that we wanted to mention is, again, this is meant to protect rock chip or this material, so it's not quite as aggressive as what you guys would see for like headlight tints where you could wrap it all in. All right, guys, and you guys can see this vehicle is pretty complex. So we went ahead and took care of this light bar here, guys, but the real tricky part was actually these headlights. And if you guys look, we try to do the best coverage we can, and we had to do it in a couple of pieces. So this inside piece and this inner piece right here are 2 pieces, and we seamed it on the hard body line. So if you guys look real carefully, there is still a little bit of gap that's peeking through, and there's really nothing that we can do about that because once it gets in there, it just will not stick. So it's really hard to stick unless you have the whole thing taken apart. So this was something that I just wanted to point out, guys. So yeah, thank you guys again for tuning in. If you guys like what you guys are seeing, please tune into our channel and hit that like and subscribe button. So, but other than that, this was DYNOsmoke, STEK's DYNOsmoke light protection film on a 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning, guys. Thank you guys again for tuning in.